Hello guys, today I shall discuss about 5 rupee definitive coin information. Okay, get into the content. After independence, many coins were printed in our nation. Coin collector or numismatic must have knowledge of in and around information of the coins. Lot of collectors did not notice the internal types or diversity of the coins. Surely if you watch the full video, you get to know rare and secret information of the coins. This model, although printed during the period of 2009 and 2010, weight is 6 grams and metal composition of the coin is nickel brass. First time in Indian history, 5 rupee coins looks like golden color. Why means brass are mixed up, so only this color happened. 5 pice and 5 rupee coins both have similarity in die variety. 25 pice and below denomination all are withdrawn 13th June 2011. After that, lot of collector collect this coin through online and offline of various modes. In coin exhibition, this 5 pice coin sells at just 10 rupees to 50 rupee, but only individual sells these coins at 4000 rupees. How it is possible? Because he understands the die variety or type of the coin. You see the coin were printed in 1968. Diamond mint mark views under the year. Under the year denotes this coin printed in Mumbai. Reverse looks like same, but observe is differ. If you see Asoka emblem of both the coin, you understand the variance. First Asoka emblem is bigger in size as compared to second. Looks at right. Gaps are much reduced between emblem and the words of India in English. This kind of coin reach higher price in market. See the proof. Estimated price of the coin is 4000 rupees to 5000 rupees, and here clearly mentioned that this item is sold under the estimated price. Withdraw coins can sell or buy in online or offline. Both 5 rupees coins were printed in 2009, and here the variance can only at the last digit of the 2009. In first image, number 9 looks straight, and in second image, number 9 looks in a way of italic text. See star mint mark under the ear. As per the same coin and same mint, another one difference are there. Looks on front side or observe of the coins. Letter India seems to be highlighted and diminished. I include the zooming shot at below of the main image. 2010 diamond mint, that means coin printed at Mumbai. Two die varieties are there. Just see the image that views the diamond mint mark and the border line. First diamond mark is just near to the border line, and in second coin diamond mint is far from border line. This coin is now in circulation, so buy and sell is happens. But just add 1 or 2 coins to your collection. If you watch the full video and get new experience means, just click subscribe and like button. Thank you. Hope you wait for next video.